Good morning, children. Good morning, children. I'm Priya Madam, your social teacher. Children, we are in the first lesson. What is the name of the first lesson? Indian Relief Features. Indian Relief Features. So we had a brief explanation of the first lesson in our first online class. Now we are going to the second online class, and now we are going to the second part of the lesson. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plain. What do you mean by the Indo-Gangetic Plain? It has the western part, it has the central part, it has the eastern part. First, let us go to the western part. I hope you have understood, children, the Indo-Gangetic Plain. The place which is situated between India and Indo-Gangetic, which is situated on the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Now we are going to the western part. The western part was formed by the Indus, children. The western part was formed by the Indus and its tributaries to the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas and the Sutlej, which are flowing. All these are flowing and connected to Pakistan. They are connected to Pakistan, and in Pakistan, Punjab. In Pakistan, there is Punjab. So here, in the western part, we notice that it is formed by the Indus and its tributaries to the Jhelum, the Chenab and the Ravi, and these are connected to Pakistan and a place where Punjab is situated in Pakistan, and Haryana, plains in India. Punjab, Haryana, plains in India. I hope it's clear, children. We are going to the central part now. What is known by the central part? Here is the central part. Can you notice, children? Here is the central part. The second part of the Indo-Gangetic Plain. It extends its river to the Ghaggar to Tisca. It extends its river to the Ghaggar to Tisca. It is mainly spread to the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and partly in Haryana. So, the central part is extending to from the rivers Ghaggar and to Tisca, and it is situated in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and a bit partly of Haryana, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Here the rivers Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries Sona, Kosi, etc. they keep draining off. What do you mean by draining off? They keep flowing very, very slowly. The eastern part. We are going to the third part. The eastern part of the plain exists mostly on the Brahmaputra valley of Assam, the river Brahmaputra is mainly responsible for its formation. So, the eastern part children is mostly in the Brahmaputra valley of Assam, and the river Brahmaputra is mainly responsible for its formation. So once again children, we are referring to the different parts. The western part was formed by the Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, the Chenab, the river Bias and the Sutlej flowing from the Himalayas. Most of the Indus river's basin is located in Pakistan, leaving minor portion of Punjab and Haryana. The central part, children, is known as the Ganga Plain. It extends its rivers from Ghaggar to Tista. It is lying in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Haryana. The eastern part, children, is the plain is existing on the Brahmaputra valley. In the Brahmaputra valley of Assam, and the river Brahmaputra mainly is responsible for its formation. Children, I hope the western part, the central part and the eastern part is clear enough for you to understand. We shall meet in the online class next time. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.